Alright, Nicola, here's what I did with your pool pump motor. Most of the electric chainsaws on the market are about between 9 and 14 amps. This is 26.8 amps. This thing doesn't even sweat. We're going to cut a piece of oak for you. Big hunk of oak right here to show you how well it works. I will tell you this, it is a beast. Okay, here we go. Okay, power on. As you can see, that didn't even worry about it. Right through, I don't know, 6-7 inches of oak. So, I think this is going to work well in my milling machine also. So, yeah, it's not loud, it's not obnoxious, and it has plenty of freaking power. Alright, well, thank you.